In this video, we will learn how use a multiple version of Python in a computer. At first, we will go to a browser, then type Python and go to the first website. Here in the download, you will see download Python install manager. Just click it and download it. I have already downloaded this file. Now click on it and install in your computer. After installing, you will see such prompt. Just type y, again type y. At first it will download the latest version of Python, which will be the default versions in your computer. Wait for some minutes. It is downloading the Python version 3.14.7. Now the download has been completed. Now open Windows PowerShell. Here, if you type py, then you can see the latest version of Python 3.14.7. It is the default versions in your computer. Now, in order to install another version of Python, you should run this command py list online. It will see all available version of Python that you can download in your computer. You have to download this version Python 3.11. In order to install these versions, just run this command py install 3.11. It will install another version of Python in your computer. It will take some time. Now Python 3.11.9 has been installed in your computer. You can see what versions of Python has been installed in your computer by typing py list. Here you can see in your computer there are two versions of Python 3.14.7, 3.11.9. In this way, you can install several versions of Python. If you want to run a specific version of Python, just type py 3.11. Then you can see Python 3.11.9. In this way, you can run another version of Python. Besides this, you can run a version of Python by running the command python, then the version number 3.11. Here also Python 3.11.9 has been run. For downloading a Python package, just run this command py space hyphen the Python version number 3.14 space hyphen m pip install, then the package name say Python and press enter. Then it will install this package Python. In this way, you can use several versions of Python in your computer. Thank you.